All right, guys, I'm going to do this quickly because it's actually very cold in Virginia right now. We got snow last night. So went ahead and picked up the Jeep today from my man Manny. He went ahead and did all the welding, the installation, a whole bunch of stuff that needed to be done that could only really use a lift and welding experience, and he's the man to do it. So we got the intercooler all set up. He made the brackets for it. So as you can see, it's bracketed. It's going to sit really nice and center in the bumper. Intercooler goes around, goes up. Everything fit really well on the driver's side. Passenger side here, we had to make some changes. If you look right there, he had to do some custom stuff with the turbo outlet because it wasn't sitting right. It wasn't over far enough. So instead of modifying the pipe that I had, coated, we went ahead and moved everything over, which honestly I think was a better play. Here we have the turbo set up with the turbo guard. Love the coating. I love the contrast of this color in the bay. We've got the blanket. I still got to secure this blanket. I'm going to have to do a new line here or insulate this line, make it cleaner so it doesn't burn because it's sitting right here. Went ahead and just wrapped the initial down pipe down to the flange, and the up pipe, you can see right there, we got the turbo, the wastegate, everything like that. And then he went ahead and made this bracket. So this bracket right there is going to support the turbo. There's a whole lot of other work underneath that goes all the way back to where it bolts up to the stock catback, the solo catback. I can show you guys that at a later date, but right now the Jeep is home. It's turbo, it sounds good, and more videos.